Alright, so Naomi, my daughter is in Australia taking up BS Biology in the University of Sydney, has been telling me that she's been enjoying eating lamb cooked by her Tita Eva. And so when I went to Costco last weekend, I thought of trying it out myself. I'm a Filipino, so I'm not a lamb eater. My husband already said he's not gonna try it, but here's a rack of lamb. It's already French. Apparently, French means they cut out the meat portion here, and kind of like just prepare this for roasting. Okay, so obviously I've done my research. Went to YouTube, browsed YouTube videos about like what's the best marinade and rub or seasoning for my lambrack. Apparently it's you have to have rosemary and thyme because it takes out the gaminess, like the gaminess taste of lamb. But well, we're just gonna try it. First, they said to just rub your lambrack with salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna mix, about a tablespoon of salt in here, and then a tablespoon of pepper. Well, half a tablespoon maybe of pepper in there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we'll try to just make it tasty, okay? Now I'm gonna just grab a scissor and then unwrap this lamb wrap. Come on. Oh, sorry. Okay, cool. Now, I'm just gonna rub this with salt and pepper. Okay. Okay. And I found a recipe. I'll put the link in the description of this video, but it's basically a mixture of olive oil, Dijon mustard, rosemary, and thyme. And we're just gonna use this as another layer of rub onto our lambrack, and then we'll let the lambrack marinate for like 30 minutes while we prepare something else for lunch. Okay, so here I'm just gonna spread this all over my lambrack. Oops, I'll just wrap all of this because what am I gonna do with it, right? So as not to be wasteful, I'm just gonna try and wrap it all over back side as well. Okay, cool. That looks delicious already. So we're gonna let this marinate for like 30 minutes and then we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're just gonna fire up our grill to a high of 500 degrees Fahrenheit and then let it preheat. And it's gonna just tell us to add the food in. And you can put like a timer in it. I usually do 10 minutes and then see how the meat is cooking, and then after that, if it needs more cooking, then I just add a couple more minutes. All right, so it's telling us to add our food in, so I'm just gonna do just that and start with the lambrack facing this way. I don't know, it just makes sense. So yeah, look at that. Then we're just gonna cover it, and then it's gonna cook it for like 10 minutes. It says in the grill tips that meat is supposed to be 6 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna go for 10 minutes for now, and then see if I need another couple minutes. Okay. All right, 10 minutes about to be done. My kitchen smells so good. So I'm just gonna get in here and see the temperature of our lamb. But look at that, it looks really perfectly grilled. I'm just gonna check out the temperature. Oh. Wait, so at what temperature is lamb supposed to be cooked? I really don't know. But we'll figure it out via Google. So Google says lamb is supposed to be cooked at 145 degrees Fahrenheit, but we're only at oh, it's 145 degrees. It's really cooked now. I'm just gonna give it a couple, well, one more minute. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Ooh, look at that. It looks juicy and soft. I don't know. I think it's medium rare. I might, you know, pop it back into the maybe I should let it rest some more. Let's give it, I don't know, a couple more minutes. Let's just chill. But I'm just gonna go ahead and taste like this portion right here, just because I'm really, really excited about it. All right, let's see. All right, here we go. Really, really good. It's so good, I can't even describe it. So I popped back my lambrack in the grill for 2 more minutes. So I ended up cooking it for, I don't know, 16 minutes. But I really like it well done. So it's up to you if you like it medium rare. But I don't like kind of like blood, you know, seeing blood kind of like dripping out of it. So, so here we go. So I'm trying my lambrack. So I'm just gonna do it kind of like barbarian style, holding onto the bone and then just chomping on it. Life doesn't have to be complicated, and it seems like a pity to not pair it with glass of red wine. I have cabernet sauvignon in here, and so I'm just gonna you know, chomp down on it and then see how it goes. It's so good. I can taste salt, pepper, rosemary, thyme, like all of the flavors are in there, and the lamb is like melt in your mouth, like so good. Sarap. Nom nom nom. I wish Naomi's here, and I wish I can share this with my families and friends, but unfortunately pandemic. So hopefully soon. So my husband says he doesn't want any, so I have some leftovers left. I'm gonna have for dinner. If you know of any dips or anything that goes really well with lamb, hit me up with a comment, and then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.